Hi students, this is Jyoti. Today we are going to learn a new topic, water and weather. We need water to live. What are these? What do you see in this picture? Yes, these are animals. What is it? This is a plant. Do they need water? Yes. All the living beings on the earth, they need water. Here, a dazzle of zebras, they are drinking water. And a plant also need water to survive itself. And animals need water or they drink water to survive themselves. Do human beings need water? Yes. We also need water for drinking, for bathing and washing our clothes. So we use water in many ways for various activities in our day-to-day life. Now I am going to show some sources of water. What are sources of water? Yes, tap water is a source of water and sea also a source of water. Pond is a source of water and well, hand pump, river, they are also sources of water. We can drink tap water. Can we drink sea water? No, because it is salty, so we cannot drink sea water. And we can drink well and from hand pump. We can drink the water from this. And fruits and vegetables, they contain water. They contain large amount of water in it. Broccoli and these fruits, bananas, pomegranate, grapes, all these vegetables and fruits, they contain more water. When we eat them, we get water from them. And a large amount of our land or the earth is covered water. Do you know how much land is covered by water? Yes, 3/4 of our earth is covered by water. Now let's learn about 3 different states of water. What are the 3 different states of water? Yes, one is liquid and the next one is water vapor and third one is solid. Water has 3 states: liquid, solid and gaseous state. Okay, this is the first form of water. It is in the liquid form. When we boil water, it is boiled and then it produces water vapor. It is in the form of gas. So, gas is another form of water. The first one is liquid form. This is the first form of water. And the second one is gaseous state of water. And the third form of water is, or third state of water is ice. It is also called solid form. Here we can see how does water changes from one state to another state. As we know, water is a liquid. When we place in a refrigerator, it becomes ice. Take a small piece of ice and put in this glass tumbler. Here we can observe the ice melts after some time and it becomes water. How does an ice cube melts or ice cube forms this type of liquid? Yes. The glass tumbler has a high temperature than this ice cube. So, when we place this ice cube in this glass tumbler, it becomes water. We can understand ice melts in this glass tumbler. And when we place some water in a bowl, due to the heat of the sun, when we observe after some time, we can see some water vapor forms above this bowl. And we can observe evaporation process in the lakes also. Water heats up due to the heat of the sun. It evaporates and it produces water vapor and this water vapor mixes with air. So this is water heating up due to the heat of the sun and producing water vapor and mixing with air. This process is called evaporation. And by seeing this, we can observe what is condensation. By using this activity, we can say what is condensation. Take a bowl and place some vegetables and heat them. When they cooked completely, when we take up this lid, what happens? Some water droplets we can see inside of this lid. These are the water droplets formed. When we open this lid, the cool air enters into this bowl and makes this water vapor cools down, and they form water droplets inside of this lid. So this process is called condensation. And how can we make ice? Water can be in the solid form. The solid form of the water is called ice. How do we get ice? Yes, when we place a water tray inside of this refrigerator, it is in the liquid form in the beginning. When we place in the refrigerator on freezing, it becomes ice. Ice is a solid form. So water can be solid form, it is in the liquid form, and it can be gaseous form. Let's learn about water cycle. What is water cycle? Due to the heat of the sun, water is in the oceans, seas or rivers. It evaporates, or it becomes water vapor, and it goes up. At the higher altitudes, it forms as a clouds. And when these clouds cools down, they become as a liquid. They forms as rain. So this process is called condensation. When these clouds cool down, they comes down as precipitation like rain or snow. Again, this water is collected by these water sources. This is in the cyclic form. You can observe here, when water from these lakes evaporates due to the condensation, it forms clouds and makes water, and due to the precipitation, it comes down. Water comes down as rain in the lakes. Now let's see what is weather. The state of atmosphere according to the temperature, wind and rain is called a weather. You will see many weather conditions throughout the day. Some hours it changes, the weather changes hour to hour or day to day. At sometimes the sky is sunny. Sometimes it will be cloudy. Sometimes it is windy, and sometimes it is cold and it is rainy. We will see all these weather conditions throughout the day. We know sun gives us light and heat. How do you feel in the morning? It is cool. The sun is it doesn't shine more, so we feel a bit cold. How do you feel in the afternoon? Yes, at noon time we feel warm. We don't feel that much warm in the evening because the sun sets in the it goes in the sky in the evening time. And how do you feel in the winter? Yes, it is very cold. How do you feel in the summer? Yes, due to the sun's heat, and sun's directly shines over our head, so we feel very warmer in the summer. Now let's see how the clouds, the wind and the rain causes changes in the weather. What are these? These are clouds. How do you feel when there are some clouds in the sky? Yes, we feel cold. Why we feel cold when there are clouds in the sky? Yes, we cannot feel more warm because the clouds stop the heat of the sun. So we don't feel more warm when there are clouds in the sky. When it is rain, we feel pleasant weather. After some hotter days, when it is rain, we feel very happy. In the winter season, if rain comes, how do you feel? Yes, we feel extreme cold. How this wind changes in the weather? What is wind? Yes, the moving air is called wind, and strong winds are called gales. What happens when strong winds comes? Yes, strong winds, they make trees to lift up, and they damage our houses also, and sometimes electric poles, they fall on the ground. So wind causes damage. Children, now let's see how weather influences our lives. There are 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy season. Which type of clothes you will wear in summer season? Yes, we have to wear cotton, light cotton clothes in summer season. And which kind of food we have to take? Yes, we eat generally we eat light food, and we drink cold drinks, and sometimes we eat ice creams. And so which type of clothes we wear in winter season? Yes, generally we wear woolen clothes in winter season. They are thick, we feel very warm and hot. We don't feel more cold. And sometimes we use room heaters also. This is a room heater. And which type of food we will eat in winter season? Yes, we drink hot drinks like tea and coffee. Let's look at here. In rainy season, generally we use umbrella when we go out, and we have to wear raincoat. Otherwise, we get cold. And which type of food we eat in the rainy season? Yes, we should drink hot soups like corn, and we have to eat pakora and samosa. And always we must stay indoors. We should not go out. Indoor games are enjoyable in rainy season. Please like this video, and please visit our website www.educators@pa.com, and please visit our Facebook and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.